What's up everybody, welcome to another video of how to tech videos. Today we are back with another ChatGPT videos and I'll be showing you 5 secrets to the best kind of writing that you can do, that you can accomplish with ChatGPT. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before I get into this, I'd like to add that ChatGPT is literally a game changer. If you have not used ChatGPT yet, you need to do it. You have no idea how amazing this tool is. ChatGPT is literally a game changer. It is no doubt the most perfect virtual assistant, especially when it comes to writing. It is literally your personal assistant, your personal writer. So, the best way to get the most out of it is by using some hidden formulas, some prompts that I'm gonna be showing you in this video. So stay tuned and let's jump right into it. So first of all, consider we had a formula, something looking like this, like write a length type of writing on topic, like write a 360 words essay on gaming. So this is like a good format for you guys to follow. For example, I'll write 400 word essay. Let me quickly replace this on PC gaming. You can add this kind of give it this kind of template and it just reads it so perfectly. I mean, obviously, even if you don't write it that perfect, it would still give you great results because this tool is really genius, really intelligent. Now look at that, that is just beautiful. Look at that, it just wrote a whole essay. I'm not quite sure if it is 400 words, but that does not really matter because you can always skip through some stuff. You can just proofread it and add something that's missing and remove something that seems not worth it. So but you get the idea that how amazing this tool is. So another thing is that you can for example, you're doing a assignment and you need to write an essay and you use this. Now what you can do is you can actually also take help from the internet, and if you do not want to plagiarize, you can rephrase this. Let me tell you what I'm trying to say in just a minute. Now let's consider we were on the gaming computer Wikipedia and I were to copy this little text up till here. So I'm gonna control C, copy this, and I'm gonna paste it right here. And what I want to do additionally is I'm gonna add quotes to this, and I'll add rephrase this text. Let me just drag down real quick. So now you're gonna see that it is going to rephrase that, and it's gonna try its best to replace it in such a way that it minimizes any kind of plagiarism. So now you can see that it just provided me with a little bit different text. So it just kind of removes that plagiarism. And even if you check on an online plagiarism calculator, you're gonna see that the numbers are insane. The replacement, the word replacement on this bot is like really exceptional. So that is also a great tool that you can use. Next, we're gonna be coming to research. Sometimes when we are on sometimes we are asked to, for a book review, we're asked to research about something. What we can do is, like for example, there's a really famous book, Lord of the Flies. Everywhere around the world, people are asked for a book review on that. So let's just say something like, give me an outline on Lord of the Flies book. And now you're gonna see that it is going to give you a very short description of the whole book, and it really gives you a place to have a start. So it is like a really good tool, and it is a good way to get started. Amazing, just perfect. Look, it just divides the whole book into introduction, setting, characters, conflict, symbolism. So it really gives you a good outline, and once you have that, you can just type in something like, can you please elaborate on I don't know what are the spellings, elaborate on the fourth point, let's say. right? And once you press that, it is going to elaborate what it meant in the conflict part. You see, it takes in the conflict one, and it divides it into, you know, the subheadings, an overview, and it's gonna explain the overview, and then it's gonna go for the analysis and then the role, and you guys can see as we proceed into the video. And there we have it, the perfect explanation you guys can ever read, and you will be stunned at how amazing, how fast, how amazing this tool is. So now let's move on to our next secret of using ChatGPT, and which will be replacing your basic vocabulary with complex one. Like for example, sometimes you are trying to write something and it is just very basic, right? I'm just gonna quickly cut the video and I'm gonna write a quick passage for you guys. Okay, so I wrote down a few lines, and let's suppose I write something like replace the lines in the quotes with complex English and vocabulary. And now it's going to analyze that, and look, I am an individual who engages in the practice of creating and uploading videos on the video sharing platform YouTube. My pseudonym or nom de plume on the platform is okay. I mean, this is something that you can work on. So obviously ChatGPT is always going to make mistakes, and that is when the human knowledge comes into practice. You always have to proofread what you're writing, but you get the gist of it. You get the idea how amazing this is. I mean, it totally made this look so professional, and that is just amazing, right? Moving on, we are going to be going into something different. Like for example, it can also act as a teacher for you. You can write wrong grammar, you can write wrong spellings, and you can just ask the bot to, you know, be your teacher. Like for example, can you act as my spellings and wait one second, spellings and grammar checker in the coming texts. So it says, yes, I can assist you as a spellings and grammar checker for the text. Please keep in mind that while I can help identify, I may not catch all mistakes. Okay, so now I'm going to write something wrong. I am a very... So as you guys can see that if you add something like which is really absurd, then the AI is not able to help you. But if you type something which is kind of wrong, like that is not really ununderstandable, like I am bad at spellings, so it tells me I am bad at spellings, I do not possess a professional knowledge of basic English. Not only did it correct my spellings, but also it added a little bit of zest and zazz into the basic English. So that is how it helps you. So bottom line, ChatGPT is a strong tool that can be used responsibly to achieve the best of both worlds, your emotional intuition and common knowledge, your common sense with the AI's data, and you can just create one of the most epic essays, any kind of content, anything that has to do with writing or whatever you want to use this bot with. It is going to be the most perfect artificial intelligence virtual assistant for you. So that is all from this video, and we will be seeing you in another ChatGPT video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm sorry if this video was too long for you guys.